everybody, so I just picked up this hutch dresser thing for my friends. They want a bar for a corner of their room, so my wife and I are going to turn it into a bar. We're not going to do too much to it, mostly just sand it down, paint it, fix any problems that it might have. The doors are a little messed up, so we're going to have to spend some time on that, but other than that, it should be a pretty quick job. There's a few gaps and other big gouges in the wood, so I'm going to go ahead and filler and kind of fill in some of the bad areas. There's also this weird hole that was kind of cut out with, I don't even know what, a bunch of drill bits maybe. So I'm going to go ahead and fix it, fill it in, and kind of make it look like a back, because it's going to be open with the way we have the bars, the plan for having the bar set up. So these doors did not fit to this dresser. I don't know how. They wouldn't close originally. So I'm going to have to cut off one of the doors a little bit wider than the other one. So I'm going to cut off about a 1/4 inch on one side and see if I can get them to close. They're also a little crooked, but I'm probably just going to leave it so they're a little crooked, but should be alright. also, when I was cutting it off, one of the corners broke, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that back in. It's going to be under the hinge, so structurally it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Just needs to look good. It's all done now. I went ahead and installed the light as well, just so you kind of see whatever glasses or bottles they have up in there. They were looking for a little bit of color with some white, and they like that blue, and with a little bit of black accent. So that's kind of how we worked it in with the hinges and the feet. Other than that, we're all done, and it looks good.